A foreign ministers meeting in the African Union headquarters in Addis Ababa have the responsibility of adopting the agenda to be presented to the heads of state meeting on Sunday. They will also be evaluating if decisions made last year by the heads of states were implemented. CCTV's Grum Chala now reports from the AU headquarters in Ethiopia.
This Executive Council comprises foreign ministers of member states. On her inaugural address to the Council as chairperson of the AU, Dr. Lamini Zuma said this year is significant as Africa celebrates the 50th anniversary of the establishment of the Organization of African Unity.
This year is special, for we will be commemorating the 50th anniversary of the founding of our continental organization, the OAU, and hence the theme, Pan-Africanism and African Renaissance. This means that we have additional task of taking forward preparations for the commemoration of the 50th anniversary in May.
Besides the socio-economic and political strides that have been achieved in the continent, Africa still cannot shed off its negative image that is associated with war and instability. The re-emerging conflicts and growing armed rebellions in the continent are top on the agenda for the ministers, as Africa hopes to work more on prevention rather than cure.
To this end, amongst other things that I think we should do, we must speed up the operationalization of the African Standby Force so that the continent has the capacity for rapid response when the situation requires. We acknowledge in this regard the contribution of the international community, in particular France, to the urgent need to restore the territorial integrity of Mali.
On this foreign ministers' meeting, the participants were also addressed by the newly appointed Executive Secretary under the UN Secretary-General of the Economic Commission for Africa, Mr. Carlos Lopez, who expressed his belief that 2013 will be the year of Africa if integrated efforts to boost growth are consistent and rid of conflict.
Africa must accordingly use current growth trends as a platform for broad structural transformation. We must drive the process on the basis of our own vision and priorities. We must tell our own story, and this cannot be done if we do not generate our data and statistics.
The 22nd ministerial meeting of the African Union is expected to endorse the agenda, which will be presented to the 20th Heads of State Summit on Sunday and evaluate the status of implementation of the previous decisions made by the Heads of States on the last summit. The mounting apprehensions of armed rebellion in the continent will still overwhelm the talks of the heads of states, which is slated to begin this Sunday. Africa must start solving its own problems. Being the case, the continent must also prioritize prevention than containing conflicts. Grum Chala, CCTV at the African Union headquarters, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia.